Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share one beautiful, healthy dessert that is easy to make at home. With only a few basic ingredients you can find anywhere in market, you can get this eye-catching, low-sugar, super healthy cake dessert at your own kitchen. Especially the fillings made out of natural lotus seed, a type of seed that is so rich in antioxidants and micronutrients, which can help slow the sign of aging and support your heart health, control the blood sugar, and also good for weight loss. Now let me show you how to make this charming cake dessert step by step. First, start with the lotus seed. I washed a cup of dry lotus seed. When you buy the lotus seed, make sure the plumule is removed. The lotus plumule has tremendous benefits to our body, but because of its bitter taste, it's not very good for this recipe. Soak the clean lotus seed in water for 15 minutes. Boil water with medium heat. Simmer the lotus seed in the water for at least 20 minutes, or until the seeds are soft to touch and very easy to break. Then put the lotus seed into the blender. Add half cup of water. The water boiling lotus seed is perfect for this. Ground the lotus seed until the mix is very smooth. Then pour the mix into a frying pan. We're going to dry off the mix with heat. You want to keep stirring the mix and be careful because it will splash. While heating, add 2 tablespoons oil in. Also add 1/4 cup of sugar. In about 20 to 30 minutes, depends on the heat level, the mix will start to dry up, stick together, and look more like a dough. Wait until it's not hot to touch. Wrap it and put in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes to cool down. While waiting, we can start to prepare the wrap. In a big bowl, add half cup of sticky rice flour, half cup of regular rice flour, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix. Then add half cup of milk. If you're vegan, use plant milk is okay too. Mix until all the ingredients are blended well enough. Then pour the mix into a steam-safe bowl. Add 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Gently mix. Put on the steamer for 20 minutes with medium heat. It will look like this after steaming. Roughly cut to help it cool down. When it is safe to touch, from now on you will need to wear food processing gloves because the dough will be sticky. Rub the dough until the oil is fully absorbed. and the surface of the dough will become very smooth. Let it cool down in room temperature for a few minutes. While waiting, you can fry 1 to 2 tablespoons sticky rice flour. It will be used to separate the cake with the cooking tools. 5 to 6 minutes of medium heat frying is enough. Move on to color the wrap. Divide the dough. I'm going to make 2 pretty colors. Take 1 piece, stretch a little to flatten. I happen to have some frozen blackberries. Saw a little, then squeeze a few drops of juice out. You don't need too much. A little bit will turn this white dough into this very beautiful lavender color. I also like to use half spoon of matcha powder to turn this white dough into the delightful green color. This recipe can make about 16 cakes. So I divide the dough into 16 even pieces. And roll them individually into 16 small balls. Take the filling dough out of the fridge and divide it into same 16 pieces. Then roll into balls as well. It's time to put everything together. Take a colored ball, like the green one, and press down, add the filling ball on top. Use your thumb and point finger to pull the wrap up. The dough is very soft and easy to manipulate. Keep pulling until you can seal the filling securely inside. Then gently press down the top. Roll it back into a ball. I bought this beautiful mold tool to create the pattern on top. Pick one and let the pattern side facing outside. Flip and lock it in. Then roll the cake ball in the flour, then pat off the extra. You can also press the mold in the flour to prevent the stickiness. Insert the ball into the mold. Then press down gently but steadily for a few seconds. Then lift the handle. Voila! A beautiful cake dessert is complete. Repeat the same process until all the wrap and the fillings are used up. After a few tries, it becomes super easy and enjoyable. Even my kids joined in to make the cake. this recipe, we don't use any additives. It's all natural, safe for the whole family to enjoy. Because we don't add any preservatives, it's better to consume right away and store the extra in the fridge to finish in the following 3 to 4 days. Let me taste one first. The filling is so soft and mild sweet. And the wrap is also very soft and fresh. It's not as sticky as the mochi because we add half cup of regular rice flour. And it looks so cute. It's not just food, it is the art. You can put into a nice box and bring to the party and the gatherings to share with your friends. This is how I make this beautiful low sugar, all natural cake dessert. I hope you enjoyed the video and give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy, healthy home cooking videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!